In this video, we will discuss how to safeguard your Lobstr wallet from scam assets. As cryptocurrencies gain popularity, so does the risk of scams and fraudulent activities. One of the most important aspects of protecting your crypto assets is to ensure the safety of your digital wallet. Over the next few minutes, we will guide you through effective strategies to avoid scam assets in a Lobstr wallet, which will ensure the security of your investments. The first step in safeguarding your assets is to educate yourself about cryptocurrencies and the associated risks. Understand the basics of blockchain technology, smart contracts, and how different cryptocurrencies operate. Familiarize yourself with the Lobstr wallet and its security features. Stay updated with the latest news and developments in the crypto world to recognize potential scam assets and emerging threats. 2. Before investing in any asset within your Lobstr wallet, perform thorough due diligence. Verify the legitimacy of the asset by researching the project, team members, and their track record. Check the project's website, white paper, social media presence, and community engagement. Look for red flags such as unrealistic promises, lack of transparency, or dubious affiliations. Seek independent reviews and opinions from reputable sources to gain insights into the asset's credibility. Always verify the correct symbol and domain for the assets you wish to buy. 3. When exploring new assets, rely on trusted sources and platforms to gather information. Seek recommendations from experienced cryptocurrency enthusiasts, join reputable forums, and engage in discussions to learn from others' experiences. Avoid relying solely on social media platforms, as they can be easily manipulated with false information or pump and dump schemes. 4. When interacting with smart contracts within your Lobstr wallet, it is crucial to review them carefully. Understand the contract's functionalities, terms, and any associated risks. Audit the contract code or rely on reputable auditing services to ensure its security. Look for potential vulnerabilities such as hidden fees, backdoors, or excessive control granted to the contract creator. Always exercise caution when granting approval or providing liquidity, ensuring you understand the full implications of your actions. 5. Scammers often employ various tactics to lure unsuspecting investors. Be cautious of promising investment opportunities that guarantee unrealistic returns or employ aggressive marketing strategies. Watch out for unsolicited messages, phishing attempts, or suspicious requests for personal information. Be wary of assets that lack a clear roadmap, have vague or unsubstantiated claims, or operate in an overly secretive manner. Trust your instincts, and if something feels too good to be true, it probably is.